I always ask Mama for more eggs when she makes her thịt kho. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that is celebrated by many Vietnamese families.
Mama ye sạch fan, Mami tê gì sạch fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. You know, Mama actually doesn't listen to my extra egg requests because she believes there needs to be a good balance between egg and pork. So here's her version. To start, boil 10 eggs for 12 minutes or until they're hard boiled. Put them in an ice bath to cool completely, then peel each egg under running cool water. This technique will help you achieve smooth hard-boiled eggs. Now cut 1 kilo of pork belly into a size you like. Mama has always cut hers chunky, roughly 5 centimeters in width. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. On high heat, pour 5 tablespoons of sugar into a pot and stir continuously until it starts to clump together. While stirring, pour 1 tablespoon of water in at a time until it becomes a dark brown caramel. Keep in mind that the darker the caramel, the darker your thịt kho. Pour 6 tablespoons of fish sauce into the caramel, then pour the eggs in. Roll them until they're coated in caramel. When they're golden, scoop them out and set them aside for later. Add the pork belly into the sauce and coat them with the caramel on all sides. Pour 1 litre of coconut water into the pot and season everything with 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. Stir it well, bring the pot to a boil and turn the heat to medium. Let it gently simmer for 20 minutes with the lid partially on. After the 20 minutes, add the eggs back in. Simmer everything on low heat with the lid partially on for another 10 minutes or until the pork is tender. The longer you simmer, the darker the thịt kho will be. And there you have it, Mama's thịt kho, a staple that's best served with steaming hot rice. Every Vietnamese family swears by their thịt kho recipe, but what unites them all is that feeling of home when you bite into the egg or the pork. If you want to make this for your family, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, use fresh coconut water. You'll get the natural sweetness without any preservatives. Number 2, find a good balance of fat and meat. Use a cut that has a generous amount of fat and meat. Number 3, roll the eggs. Roll them in the sauce every 10 minutes to keep the colour even on all sides. I love thịt kho eggs, but Mama's right. It's not complete without the braised pork belly that comes with it. Shovel it all into your mouth with rice and you've got a Vietnamese childhood right there. For more household staples, like and subscribe to our channel. To learn another braising recipe, check out Mama's Vietnamese braised fish. See you in the next video.